This is Rinie, my Galah Cockatoo. Pink feathers, white crest, and the brightest eyes you've ever seen. But behind those bright eyes was a dream. Every day she watched the sky, longing to fly. One day I opened the cage, and she hesitated. Then she spread her wings for the very first time. It was time for Rinie's first adventure. Out the window, into a world she had never seen before. The trees welcomed her, and so did the wind. She felt free. But freedom comes with fear. The sky changed. A storm was coming. She fought the wind, but she was tired. And then she fell. I searched everywhere, praying. She was safe. Hours passed until I heard a sound. I picked her up and held her close. Back home, she rested, safe again. So closed her eyes and smiled. Freedom is beautiful, but love is home. Rinie taught me that day. True adventure is returning to the ones who love you.